Okay, oh my god, Shagun, you're married. Oh my god. I didn't know we were supposed to do this, or I wouldn't have changed. So now I have to do this in a completely jhalla state. So yeah, I'm making her stand with me.
The glamour factor.
Yeah, so my god, beautiful wedding. Like, it was so much
The
fun.
trees, the
trees. Yeah.
Yeah, and so much fun. Talk, Moru.
I don't know what to say. I'm freezing up.
Talk, na?
What do you mean? Just say something.
Okay, so congratulations, and I love Moinak. He's like so sweet, and you guys are perfect together, and I'm so happy. And you were
Yeah.
looking beautiful today, and oh my
Yeah.
god, I'm so glad I could make it to your February wedding, and everything just worked out fine. And
Yeah.
I love you guys. Mwah, mwah.
Now let's laugh like Moinak.
Hi Shagun, I can't believe you're married. Congratulations. I think your family will remember me, especially Dadi, who I scandalized today with all my talk. But really, really happy for you. Have a great life ahead. Have fun. I know you will. I think you're the only bride who had fun on a wedding as well. Love you loads, and loads of love for Moinak too. And sorry, have a great married life. Thanks.
Hi Shagun, congratulations. Today is the day and you finally did it. We did have a venue and we could get you married. All the best for your life. And Moinak, warning, bach ke rehna.
Shagun, what have you done? You just got married. Seriously, dude. You got married to the person sitting next to you.
All the best.
I don't know what to say,
No,
guys.
I think it's great that you got married. I think it's awesome that you married somebody that you're in love
And you
with.
were looking
and
fabulous.
You look beautiful today, and yesterday you looked really nice. And
And the reason we can't really speak right now is because you got so lost last night, Shagun, when you were there.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know how you were sitting through all the ceremony. Come, no, why are you standing there?
This is the first time I've actually gone to a wedding hungover.
And we have Himanshu also.
Yeah.
This John.
John sir,
John,
aa
is that
gaye
your
hain.
wedding? You can tell your future kids that.
I just wish the couple they are strong kids and handsome kids like me.
Yeah, so basically you want your kids to like feed on proteins
Yeah.
and
Supplements.
What else? Supplements. What do you eat? Oh, tin bhar ke?
And work out every day and follow John Abraham. Make them
Yeah.
But John
But-
is at your wedding. Later,
Seriously,
when
guys,
later generations
congratulations.
don't remember.
Yeah.
We love you. I think we think you're a fabulous couple, and stay fun, man.
And you're awesome. As are we.
all the best.
Yeah, that's all.
All the best, Shagun and Moinak. Finally, your days of being the bridezilla are over. So all the best. All the best to Moinak, actually.
Oh my god, the nightmare is over. She's driven me crazy. Anyways, congratulations, you both. You guys look fantastic.
So you know who I am, but my voice is not what it used to be. I met Shagun about 4 years ago, and I think in these 4 years I've come to know her as being the most genuinely bubbly and at times pragmatic sort of a person. She loses her cool quite a bit at times. Probably she needs to work on that bit after the marriage. And in Moinak, I hope she has found the true Prince Charming she always wanted. And all the best for their married life lying ahead. Thank you.
Well, Shagun has been my darling daughter, and she got married just now to Moinak Mukherjee. We are so excited, we are so thrilled. We have given her all the value systems to make up in a wonderful way. She is going to prove, they are going to prove to be a wonderful couple, and I'm sure that they both are workaholics, they both love work, and they will make a wonderful life. Both have got a unique temperamental things. Moinak is very cool, Shagun is not that cool. But they both gel, they both have their own positive points, and I'm sure that they will be able to complement each other and carry on in this life in a wonderful way. I love you, Shagun. Beta, be good, be happy, and enjoy your life wonderfully well. Take care, bache. I love you, beta. Moinak is a wonderful young man. He has a very cool temperament. He loves his work very much and he takes life in a very, very nice way. He works hard and he's going to take care of my daughter in times to come. They both are a wonderful couple. Moinak beta, I love you and I'm sure you will do wonderfully well in life. Within few months of joining Philip Morris, you got an award for above the Call of Duty award. I'm sure that many more awards are going to come in your job pocket soon. Do well in life, beta, and be a wonderful family, both of you. Take care, bache. I love you.
आपको हटना होगा थोड़ा Monik, look into her eyes.
Oh yeah. It's difficult. You know, this doesn't
You
work.
have to very quickly do it. Okay, I'll do it. Monik, see, I told you. He can't do it. Don't do it. This is what you want, right? Don't do that. Yeah, start. Start.
Yeah, this doesn't.
Few more. Continue, थोड़ा सा right. And Monik. Yeah. क्या है? Or maybe, you know, what I was thinking. एक मिनट. Third क्या था?
Kiss.
One more. Now you kiss. You have to kiss.
Wait. Let's do for everybody in Indore also. Yeah, well. Okay, yeah. Go for it. You go for it. You go for it.
No.
Hey, you hold the pose at least. You didn't get it. Did you? I'm sorry, I don't want
थोड़ा सा
the...
left.
Oh shit, sorry.
No. Stay there.
On the lips, come on. Really? Come on.
I'm telling you, should Darshan cross नहीं करोगे मैं तो करूँगा तेज नहीं
पता नहीं मुझे
Just sitting at the side, on the side. Go to the side.
Monik, थोड़ा left में रहो ना, because you are totally hidden now. Yeah, like that.
Why is it? It's a wait.
नहीं बच्चे भी कर रहे
I'm very good at this.
You very good at what? Pushing people.
Pushing people on swings. I used to do it as a kid.
Okay, one like, you know, एकदम over her shoulder. Just stop for a minute. Yeah. Can't stop you. Just मतलब एकदम ऐसे जा. Like this. Look at her.
See, just looking at her, you make me conscious.
Okay, don't look at her. Look at me. I look at her. That's so beautiful. I'm smiling like that.
Can I make this kind of a face?
He doesn't know what to do.
The No. So I met her on the first day at work actually. You know, like she came and like it was very colleague. So she came, she shook my hand and yeah. So and then we started going out actually. So we started going for drinks and all. So that is when I started knowing her. And yeah, it just happened. It was very. It wasn't this one moment where we suddenly said that okay, this is it. You know, it built up and it just happened. It was a very natural progression. So that's what happened. I would say. Like, even after we started dating, it was not that suddenly one day I got down on my knees and I said that okay, like today is when I have decided that I'll marry her. It flowed so naturally, and that is what I really like. Like even now, no, like, people are really stressed about marriage and all. Like I'm not really stressed because like nothing much changes. It's the same thing, which I think is a good thing. I think it's the fact that she can. I mean, she has a lot of life, man. Like you know what I mean? Like she laughs and she enjoys herself, and I like doing that. I don't hate being with people who are like very. Like she doesn't take herself seriously at all. It's a very good thing. She's excellent. And yeah, she gets all my jokes. One of the very few people who gets all my jokes. She in fact thought I was really funny, so I said yeah. So, yeah, and I mean there are so many things, yeah, like little things every day that matters. So. And if she likes you, she'll really take care of you.
Yeah.
Is it just her who's going to see the video? Or is it going to be a lot of people?
It's her choice then.
So what I want to say is that, you know, like, I just want to say that, you know, I'm really lucky that, you know, I'm marrying someone like you. Like when I was growing up, you know, like everyone has these, how do I put it, images in their heads that the kind of person they want to get married to and all that. And so when I saw her, she didn't fit. Okay, I'll be very honest. She wasn't like, okay, I didn't see that. But now that I've taken the decision and like we are married, like I feel like this is the right decision. I feel like I'm so lucky to be with her. I was working at HT and Shagun and I had started seeing each other for like 5-6 months. And within the first 2 months we had kind of, you know, we knew that it was for the long term. I don't know why, but we just said that, you know, that it's for the long term. So she decided to tell her parents. I decided to tell my parents. And yeah, so I had gone home. And she was going to tell her parents, but I told her that, no, wait, let me tell my parents, and then you can tell your parents and all that. No, she wanted me to meet her parents. Sorry, not tell her parents. She told her parents about me, but she wanted me to go and meet her parents. I said, let me tell my parents. If once that is done, then I'll go meet them. So I went home. I told my mother that this is it. That there is a girl. And what's her name? They asked me what's her name, and I said it's Shagun, but they took it very sporting. They said it's okay, fine, etc. They made a lot of jokes about, you know, them not understanding Hindi and all. And then I came, I went and met her parents, and her father was too much. Yeah, like first time I met them, I was obviously a little reserved. So I was just sitting there, not talking too much. And her father said, no, it's okay, beta, just think of yourself as one of her friends. And then he started cracking jokes and stuff like that. Like the second time I met her dad, that is, I had gone to drop the car home. And I was going to drop the car home, then I was going to take the car to office. So I told her dad that no, I have to, and her dad wanted me to come up and have a glass of juice or something, or cup of tea or something. So I said that, no uncle, I have to run, you know, because I have to go to office. And his father was like, why run when you can take the metro? So I laughed and all that. So that's the story I tell all my friends. Like on the second day I knew that parents were married. But yeah, one funny thing that happened I think was they decided to match these, what are they called?
Kundali.
Yeah. And it was a bad match, yeah. Like out of 36 schools, only 3 matched. So then that was a slight issue, let's put it that way, because she was thinking that her parents were a little worried, but she took care of that. Yeah. Otherwise it was a smooth sailing. They were very open about her marrying Bengali, and my parents were very open.
तो सुधर जाओ, अब तो शादी भी हो गई है. That's it. No, I'm still waiting for my proposal. He's not proposed to me, you know that. I don't think it has sunk in yet. But and I've married you only because I got the venue. Otherwise, I would have kept waiting for the proposal. What else? I'm very conscious. No, I can't keep talking like that. But I mean, I don't think this will change anything because I already feel like a married couple and we become like a married couple. And yeah, it was just the event today. But I think we've been together for 3 years now. And yeah, it's been good so far. I mean, it's been good enough to kind of do this. So yeah. About him. What do I like the most about him? What do I like the most? It's a very difficult question and people keep asking me that. I don't know. I don't really know. And I think, I think that also happened like when we started seeing each other the first week itself we kind of knew that we'll get married. So it's not like there was some quality that really jumped out or I don't know. It was everything put together. I think that's what more. This was like it.
He's sexy. What?
No, nothing like that. I don't know what I like. I can tell you what I don't like. I don't like lots and lots of things. But I guess the positives must be much more than the negatives. So which is why we've done all of this today. I don't like lots and lots of things about him. What do I don't like? He has lots of issues, yeah. He has priority issues. He was already texting his boss in the car, in the Bidaika Gadi. He was texting his boss something urgent. So, yeah, he needs to start putting me first. And generally, he's a lazy Bengali. I mean, it's terrible. He hasn't even shaved today. It's his wedding day. Because he was hungover yesterday. He hasn't worn his clothes properly. I don't know what he's done. But yeah, at least it was a beautiful day. And the place looked fantastic. So, and I look fantastic. So he didn't really have to kind of do much. Or बताओ? I think Moinak's favorite color is green.
What? Is it correct or not?
Yeah.
No, I think Shagun's favorite color is purple. I know Shagun's favorite color is purple.
Was she right?
That's right.
No, she wasn't right. It's blue.
Sport.
I know Moina's favorite sport is football.
She's right.
Moina, say.
Shagun doesn't play any sport. She hates it. She doesn't.
No, but
play.
I'll play a game, no?
Sorry.
I'll play something, no?
Okay, so if it's not a sport, but if it's like video game and stuff like that, then she was hooked onto Tetris for some time.
Actually, that's true.
Yeah.
Tetris I
So
was.
she just gets hooked onto things. So yeah. So she was. So I would say it's Tetris. I've seen her play Tetris like mad.
No, but my favorite sport is swimming.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Moina's favorite movie. Like what you can watch again and again. I don't know, yeah. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Since it's I don't know. Huh?
What is the answer?
I would say Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings Part 3. I know Shagun's favorite. Okay, there are two options. One is that Andaz Apna Apna movie, and
that's true.
yeah, see, first choice. First.
What else? I think his favorite actress is. Whom does he like? I really don't know. I don't know. Favorite actress? Oh, shut up. I know you think that you're winning.
I'm very hands down. Yeah, like, there is
No.
nothing.
I think his favorite actress is Anushka Sharma.
Who's she? Okay, her favorite actress.
No, what is yours?
Huh?
Who's yours?
My favorite actor is Amir Khan, man. Like, it's all...
Actress Moinak?
Sorry, actress. My favorite actress. Yeah, I don't like actresses too much, but like, but if I had to choose one, I would say, I really like. What's her name? I'm forgetting her name.
I really like what's her name.
Yeah, she's in that It's Complicated movie. Yeah, like she's really old but really pretty.
Acha.
What's her name?
Meryl Streep.
Meryl Streep. Yes, I really love her. Yeah, her favorite actor is Amitabh
She's
Bachchan.
like 65 years
Yeah,
old.
but I still like her. Favorite actor is Amitabh Bachchan. She thinks she's really hot, and
She no he.
he's really hot. Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan?
Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan I really like. But no, they're talking about the newer ones.
No, nothing like that. Who's your favorite actor? It's Amitabh Bachchan.
Saif Ali Khan.
Rubbish. Now you're lying.
Okay. So, okay, next. Moinax. Roshogulla.
Yeah, I'll agree to that. No way.
Yeah. No, but he actually loves it. It's really strange.
Her favorite food, momos from
With
the Mayur Vihar market.
Nolan good. Rasagullas with Nolan good.
Yeah. Nice touch. Hers, like lots of them. Yeah, momos from Mayur Vihar market. Second is the minestrone soup from Big Chill.
Minestrone.
Whatever, man. Like I got it.
Okay.
And the pasta. The what pasta was it? Some pasta.
But
from
no, that's not my favoriteest food in the whole world.
Favoriteest food.
What I keep asking for all the time. You don't know.
What is it?
Rajma.
Okay. Yeah.
Moina's favorite dress. मौसी जाओ ना.
अरे वो एक फोटोग्राफ के लिए खड़े थे
क्या?
मनु के साथ में
अच्छा. तो अभी जाओ यहाँ से. सुनने की बात नहीं है. गाड़ी में है सुन नहीं रही मैं. मतलब देख नहीं रही. डिफरेंट यू कैन सी कि देख नहीं रहे. मगर सुन नहीं रहे. अच्छा. हाँ. His favorite clothes are shorts. Yeah.
No man, like when do I wear shorts? My
You
favorite
wear shorts at home all the time.
at home, but they're not like my favorite. I have a
Okay, just continue on that.
Which one?
yeah. So no, I don't wear shorts. I wear shorts, but they are not my favorite. I wear jeans and t-shirts.
Nah,
Like,
t-shirts,
I could live
yeah.
in them.
Yeah, he's one of those.
Like I could wear it to any place.
He
Like,
wears it to weddings. T-shirts to weddings.
what is Shagun's favorite dress? There's this maxi that she wears, which I hate, but she likes wearing.
Maxi?
It. Yeah.
What
Yeah.
maxi?
It's that longish Goan auntie dress that you have, and you wear it all the time,
What are you talking
which
about?
I really hate and I want to throw away.
What are you talking about? What color is it?
It's that purplish, not purplish. It's that strange color, no? It's earthy. I mean, that longish flowing dress that you have. That.
Which I wear all the time.
Yeah. At home, you wear it all the time.
No, there is a nightie that I wear.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
But that's
It's terrible.
green.
Whatever, it's terrible.
Acha, okay. Strange color. Okay.
Yeah. For Shagun, that's Paris.
It's true.
Anywhere in Europe, it's Paris. Anywhere in Europe, probably. Like she likes these. How do I put
Paris
it?
was the right answer. Stay there.
Yeah, okay. No, but I'm sure you like Barcelona. You like places with
Yeah.
with art and history.
Yeah.
I think you like them. I know
Okay.
that.
Moinak's favorite place. Shut up. His favorite place. He doesn't travel, no, he only works, so he has nothing.
That is a strap.
I travel alone. Moinak's favorite, he doesn't
Yeah, but what is my
travel.
favorite place? Shagun?
But
Like if
he
I were to go
works.
to one place,
You were to go to one place.
what would it be?
You would go to Brazil.
Close. I'd go to Peru. I told you, Shagun. Like, let's go to Peru.
Like you say strange things like that every day. Let's go here, let's go there. But I have no chutti, so I can't go anywhere. We don't even have a honeymoon, by the way.
No, we will have a honeymoon.
Yeah, we're going to drop my brother to the US.
That's a good trip.
Okay.
She doesn't know that he's a sports person.
What?
So
rubbish.
it's Patrick Dempsey from the Grey's Anatomy. Patrick Dempsey is a racer. He races bikes, not bikes, cars, something. But
Who?
That
Mixed Teamy?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Why are you obsessed with him, yeah? You're telling everybody, even at the Bachelorette, he's telling them, all-time favorite crush is Mixed Teamy from Grey's Anatomy. Why?
Because you make me watch it like Shaul all the time. Like every time I tell her like shut this thing off, like Max TV.
But he's
so
hot.
Ah.
Moinak has no favorite cars. Like, oh my god, he's not a
I'm not a car
guy.
person. I'm not a car guy.
He just, cars are for transportation.
Yeah.
I think Moinak's favorite hobby is reading. Yeah, he reads a lot.
Yeah. Shagun's favorite hobby is
But
like,
yes or no?
Yeah, true. Like
True. And then music as well.
yeah, that also. Shagun's favorite hobby, I think it's all about. Well, it passes. So she'll hop on from learning how to bake cakes. Then one day she went and learned how to like how to be a potter. So one day she told me I'm going to take pottery classes. I was like, are you serious? What are you going to make? Like like stuff we can keep our water in. But
Yeah, so that's a cool thing to do.
No, that is. So pottery, baking I would think, yeah. She likes baking, she loves baking, and then she makes me eat it also. I'm going to eat that cake I made. I like eating that cake. No,
You don't eat it, Moinak.
the cakes are very nice. She makes excellent carrot cakes.
Carrot cake? I've never made carrot cake
Of
in my
course you have.
life.
First cake you baked for me was a carrot cake, I
It was
remember.
an apple cake, Moinak.
It was a carrot cake.
Moinak, I remember very clearly.
No,
It was apple.
It was not apple, it was a carrot cake. You got it from me, from your house.
Yes, it was apple. I've never made. I hate carrot cake. Why would I make
But you
it?
made carrot cake.
It was apple. It was lined with apples.
The first
Strange
cake,
human
you baked
being.
it in Noida. then you got
Correct.
from
It was
me.
an apple
It was a
cake.
carrot cake. Can't
It
be.
was
I
an
ate
apple
it,
cake.
And you told me it's a carrot cake.
Moinak, I told you it's an apple cake.
And it tasted
I
like
hate carrot cake.
apple. It tasted like apples. It must be. I must have misheard you.
No, that's a very bad save. Carrot cake.
But she went to a cake decoration class, so I was really flummoxed at that. So there are
Flummoxed. Who uses word like flummoxed? You also do. Acha, sorry, this is a video.
Random third guy saying that I also do. On a wedding day, Anshul, not correct.
He's not a random guy, yeah.
No, random guy on
Anshul,
camera.
yaar.
On the camera.
Huh.
Yeah.
Next.